Why do 98% of people never get to see these incredible phenomena? Let's change that today. First up, we have the Aurora Borealis, or Northern Lights. Imagine the sky painted with glowing greens and vibrant purples. It's like Mother Nature's own light show. Next, the bioluminescent bays. Picture this, waters that glow an eerie blue when disturbed. It's not magic, it's science. Third, the Great Blue Hole in Belize, a massive underwater sinkhole that's a deep blue mystery. Divers, this one's calling your name. Fourth, the majestic Mount Roraima, a tabletop mountain straight out of a fantasy novel with cliffs rising into the clouds. Lastly, the enchanting Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia. The world's largest salt flat turns into a giant mirror after the rain. Walking on it feels like stepping on the sky. So which one is on your bucket list? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awe-inspiring content.